Innovations, services, technologies, and networking. Guests from all over the world come together at the Index Open House 2024 at the new Experience Center in Deitzisau. Today, Index represents more than 110 years of expertise in turning processing. In addition to single spindle lathes, multi-spindle automatic lathes, or the latest turn mill centers, automation solutions are presented in particular. The extensive modular system of the X-Center robot cell enables highly productive and high-quality manufacturing from simple to complex components. New options for the TRAUB TN A500 Universal Lathe and the Index G220 Turn Mill Center expand the range of parts in the field of shaft processing. Software solutions like the virtual machine or the IoT platform X 4.0 complete the program. Index is ready for your challenges. Better, parts, faster.